This male black palm cockatoo lives in Queensland, Australia. He's on a tight house hunting deadline. It's breeding season, and his lifelong partner lays just one precious egg every 2 years. And she'll only do that if he can find her the perfect home. He's looking for a solid, hollow tree trunk. Over the last decade, intense bushfires have burnt many to the ground. This one is spacious, or maybe not. With less property on the market, demand is high. He's running out of options. This trunk is hollow, solid, and tall. It looks perfect, to him at least. She needs convincing. He starts to build a platform to support her egg. Still not interested, but he has a clever trick up his sleeve. He needs a stick, just the right size. Now he's ready for a special performance. He drums. The sound may just persuade her. This is the solid home she's been looking for. Finally, he has her attention, shows he's back in the good books, and she has a safe, secure home to lay her egg.